What's up guys, it's Jonathan here from Daddy Guitar Lessons. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit subscribe and also click the notification bell to stay up to date and not to miss anything happening on this channel. Stay tuned for this week's lesson. It's an easy one, it's a quick one, it's the Power Chord E. We are starting right now. So this week's lesson is going to be on the Power Chord E. I'm going to show you two ways to play it. So to play Power Chord E, the easiest way, you're only going to use finger number 1 and fret number 2, leaving the 6th string open, the E, leave it open, finger number 1, press down on the A string, the 5th string, and also the 4th string, the D string. So press down on fret number 2, also with finger number 1, you're going to mute the rest. So that is Power Chord E. So to play E, the second way, you're going to use fingers number 1, number 3 and number 4. The same old finger pattern we used before. Take finger number 1, go up to fret number 7 on the 5th string, the A string, fingers number 3 and 4 on fret number 9, on the D string, the 4th string, and the G string, the 3rd string. And it sounds something like this, but you're going to have to mute the top E again with finger number 2 and also muting the E and B, the 1st and 2nd string. This is how E sound the second way. Great work guys, now you've learned two ways to play the Power Chord E. You've already learned a bunch of other power chords right here on Daddy Guitar Lessons. Now it's time to have some fun with it. Make up your own melodies, your own rhythms, your own songs, and just have some fun with it. Now that you've learned a couple of power chords, we will soon be getting into some easy songs to play. If there's any specific song you'd like to learn, drop a comment and we'll see what we can do about it. And that's it for this week guys. Keep on practicing all the power chords you've already learned. As always, click subscribe, hit the notification so you don't miss anything. Follow us on Instagram for extra tips and tricks, and also join our new Facebook community page. I'll see you guys next week.